Hello, everyone. Welcome to our short podcast. Today we're talking about how to introduce yourself in English.
That's right. Introducing yourself is one of the first things you'll do when meeting someone new. A simple introduction can make a great first impression.
Let's start with your name. You can say, "Hi, I'm Emma." Or, "My name is Emma. Nice to meet you."
Next, you can talk about where you're from. For example, I'm from the United States, or I live in New York.
Then mention what you do. You could say, "I'm a student." Or, "I work as a teacher."
Finally, share a hobby or interest. For example, I enjoy reading books and playing football. This helps people get to know you better.
So a complete introduction could be, "Hi, I'm Emma. I'm from London. I'm a university student, and I enjoy traveling and photography."
That's easy and natural. Keep your introduction short, smile, and speak clearly.
Thanks for listening. We hope these tips help you introduce yourself